Yes, very good afternoon to all of you. Am I audible to all? Okay, so now I will share my screen. So we were discussing Markov sources. In that we discussed entropy. We were simplifying one numerical based on that. So we have done, I think, H1, H2 we have completed. Find entropy of source we have completed. Next, we have to start with the average information content. Yes or no, student? So that means we have to calculate Gn, ठीक है? That is G1, G2 and G3. So here what we have to do, first of all, to design this, we have to draw a tree diagram. So students, please start drawing the tree diagram. And how many tree diagrams we can draw for this numerical? कितने tree diagrams बनेंगे? Please write down in the chat box. 2. Yes, why 2? Because we are having only 2 states. Okay, 1 and 2. So start drawing in your copy the tree diagram. Then we will move ahead. Starting from 1, from state 1, it can have 2 options, 1 and 2. Draw it in your copy. Then again it will have 2 options from state 1. Is it fine? So from state 1 to 1, the values we will write down. In the next level, again 2, again 2, 2 sets, 2 sets, okay? You can draw it in a perfect order, in a perfect length. So here we have drawn, see, first, second, third, 3 levels we have drawn. Okay, 1 to 1, it will always remain. First, I will write all 1, 2, 1, 2. Sorry, this is 2. 1 and 2. Is it okay? Now we will start writing the symbols. 1 to 1, it is A. Okay, 1 to 1, it is A. After that, 1 to 2, it is C. With probability 1 by 4. Here the probability is 3 by 4. Okay. Then 1 to 2. Then 2 to 1. 2 to 1 it is again C with 1 by 4. I haven't marked the arrows. I will put all the arrows over here. Okay. Then we will write all the probabilities from 1 to 2. It is C 1 by 4. Okay, 2 to 1 it is C 1 by 4. Then 2 to 2 it is B, clear, which is 3 by 4. And the probability of this state is P1 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now moving ahead, 1 to 1 is A, 1 to 2 is C. 2 to 1 is C, 2 to 2 again it is B. 1 to 1 A, 1 to 2 is C, 2 to 1 is again C, 2 to 2 is B. Clear? And write down all the values of probabilities. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Amisha, should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first what you have to do, you have to see your diagram. तुम्हारा diagram क्या था? Just two state diagram was there. This is node 1, node 2 going. This was the simplest source diagram could be there. ठीक है ना, इससे सिंपल कुछ भी नहीं होगा. And 1 to 2 going is C and 2 to 1 is again C. ठीक है, इस तरीके का डायग्राम गिवन था. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस वी आर ड्रॉइंग द ट्री डायग्राम. प्रोबेबिलिटीज वाज मेंशन टू यू हियर 1/2. B की प्रोबेबिलिटी थी 3/4. दिस वाज माय P1. A की प्रोबेबिलिटी थी 3/4. ठीक है, ऑल द प्रोबेबिलिटीज आर मेंशन टू यू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम नोड 1. दिस इज माय नोड 1. Node 1 से message symbol can be produced. It could go from state 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. Two possibilities are there, 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. So we have drawn 1 to 1 and 1 to 2. ठीक है, after that again from 1 in next time, next state of time, it can, the signal can produce A or C. again 1 को split किया हमने A और C में. So likewise you will move ahead. If you are at state 1 and you have produced a symbol C and moving to state 2, from 1 to 2 C will be produced. From 1 to 2 here C is produced, and again from 2, this is my 2, I will use a different pen. If I am starting from 2 से सिग्नल कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता है? 2 से सिग्नल 2 पर भी रह सकता है और 2 से सिग्नल 2 पर भी रह सकता है और 2 से 1 पर भी जा सकता है. ठीक है, by producing different kind of symbols. So this kind of tree diagram will be generated. ठीक है, you can again move ahead at next step, but that is not required generally. So is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the screen is visible to all. Network issues are there. Actually, it's raining outside, na? So this is the first state tree diagram. When we have chosen state 1. ठीक है? Now what we will do? We will write the, क्या करना है इसके बाद? What is the next step to be done after this? Who will tell?
मैम
Yes,
A
student,
to
what is the next
A to
step?
B probability find करनी है.
Yes, probability. Very good. We have to find the symbol emitted and the probability. So I will write here symbol emitted, clear, and its probability. तो symbol emitted क्या होगा? सबसे पहले यहां से शुरू करेंगे हम. फर्स्ट में था ट्रिपल ए. ठीक है, ए. ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी? यहाँ पे एक मैं यहाँ रफ लिख देती हूँ जिससे कि तुम्हें कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगा. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4 multiplied by the state 1 probability for existence. So it will be 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 into 2 is 128, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we will get 27 upon 128. Is it okay? Yes, very good. So students, do it fast. मैं सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. सिंबल एमिटेड, यू राइट द प्रोबेबिलिटीज. डू इट फास्ट. Second is AAC. Third is ACC. ठीक है, then ACB. Yes, you do it. Now you can write it by your own. And if some probabilities comes double, the pathway comes double, now we will omit one and we will double that value. So all the values came. सबकी values आ गई, I think. You can write the ratio in ratio form also. That will be much more easier. Because to evaluate log probability, sometimes it becomes very easier if it is in the ratio form. तो सारी probabilities आ गई है. All probabilities are covered over here because I want maximum length as 3. Okay, so draw the tree diagram till that. Because here we got length as 3. Okay. Then, so now what we will do, students? This is completed. You have written all the probabilities over here. Now we have to draw one table. Okay, where we will write all these probabilities. For message length 1, message length 2, for message length 3. Okay, that we will draw. But before that, we will draw a tree diagram. Okay, for state 2. Okay, I will save this slide. And please, students, you start drawing in your copy for state 2. Yes, do it fast. Choose state 2 and start drawing the diagram. State 2. Clear? Draw it very systematically. Mark all the values, mark all the symbols, mark all the probabilities over here. See, while drawing, you can use different color pens, pencils, sketch pens in your copy to illustrate all the states. So this is the diagram. Now you will write over here symbol emitted and probability. ठीक है, 2 1 2 1 2. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, बना लिया सबने? I am not writing all the parameters. You write in your copy. And probability P2 will be 1/2. So first symbol मैं यहाँ लिख देती हूँ, that is C and B. So all of you finished? Yes, students, have you finished? Please mention.
Yes,
Symbol
ma'am.
emitted and probability भी लिख ली सबकी? Everything completed. So first symbol produced is CAA. ठीक है, then CAC, then CCC. Is it okay? Any mistake? Please tell me. Next sequence. And B. These are the symbols emitted. Probabilities are, क्या है first की probability? 9/128. 3/128. Yes. In this way, the probabilities will be generated. Now you have to draw a single table. I will move one by one, but in your copy you can draw a single table. Okay, in that you will have how many columns? I will tell you. 6 columns you have to draw with a good space. Okay, 6 columns are needed to draw a table, which is very important. So here I am drawing. I will just tell you the format. क्या कर रहे हैं हम? यहाँ फर्स्ट कॉलम में लिखोगे मैसेज ऑफ लेंथ 1. ठीक है, दैट इज M1. क्लियर? एंड हियर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट मैसेज. ओके, then in third column you will write message of length M2. ठीक है, 2. So its probability. ठीक है, likewise in last 2 column you will write message of length M3. ठीक है, message of length 3, that is M3, and its probability. So give a wider space to mention all the probabilities. Clear? Now students see message of length 1. क्या होगा message of length 1? Now I will use a new slide. You are having both the tree diagrams because you have to continuously see those tree diagrams. Okay, so now I will tell you step by step how you have to simplify. So message of length 1, that is M1, and its probability. You can write it nicely. And probability. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट लेंथ ऑफ मैसेज 1, कितने मैसेजेस है अपने पास? दैट यू कैन सी इन योर ट्री डायग्राम और यू कैन सी इन द डायग्राम विच वाज गिवन टू यू. हाउ मेनी आर देयर? एंड इन बोथ द स्टेट्स, चूज स्टेट 1 एंड चूज स्टेट 2, दोनों स्टेट में कितने हैं टोटल मेरे पास? वी आर हैविंग टोटल ऑफ A, B and C. Only 3 messages are there of length 1. Yes student. And what is its probability? A के साथ मैं कैसे probability find करूंगी? A की probability हो जाएगी मेरी 3/8. B की probability again 3/8 and C की probability is 1/4. How it is coming into the picture? Who can tell? Yes student, कोई बता सकता है? ये सही है या गलत, वो भी बता सकते हो. Yes, there is no reply in the chat box. 3/8. ठीक है, कैसे आया 3/8? सबको समझ में आ गया आई थिंक. Yes, it is. Very good, very good. It is the probability of A emitted, which is your 3/4 multiplied by 1/2. ठीक है, सेम हियर 3/4 multiplied by 1/2. यहाँ C की probability क्या थी? 1/2. And to choose a state 1, the probability was half, or to choose a state 2, the probability was again half. ठीक है, so this is my first level. ठीक है, इसके बाद मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? या तो मैं पहले पूरा टेबल ड्रॉ कर लू फॉर मैसेज लेंथ 2 और 3, और अदरवाइज आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस, ठीक है, आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट दिस आई विल कैलकुलेट G1. आई कैन कैलकुलेट G1 वैल्यू. ठीक है, तो हम बाद में देखते हैं, पहले हम सारा टेबल बना लेते हैं, तुम एक एक करके वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हो. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल शिफ्ट टूवर्ड्स मैसेज ऑफ लेंथ 2. अब हाउ मेनी मैसेजेस आर देयर फॉर लेंथ 2? Please, you can see the tree diagram and you can write your own values. So please start writing. और चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखो और मुझे बताओ कितने मैसेजेस हैं. सबसे पहला मैसेज क्या है? The first message generated will be A. Very good. Then AC. A के बाद ट्री डायग्राम देखो. तुम पहला वाला ट्री डायग्राम देख के लिख लो. एक कोई भी रेफरेंस रखो. A के बाद AC, CC, CB. CC, CB. ठीक है. Then CA, BC, BB, and again you have, I think CC is repeated, students. Is it there? You have written it's total 8. हो गया सबका? These are eliminated from state 1. ये तुम्हारे लिए मैं लिख रही हूँ रेफरेंस के लिए. When state 2 is choose, you will get CA, CC, BC and BB. ठीक है? You will get these values. Is it okay? So now here we are getting this repeated symbols, so we won't mention it twice. We'll skip one. So total number of messages generated due to this length are 7. Okay, will be 7, not 8. Exactly it is 8, but two states are repeated. Two symbols produced are repeated, so we will consider only one by doubling that value. So probability to generate AA is, student, please mention the probability. कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी होगी? वेरी गुड. इट इज, आई विल राइट ओवर हियर. सेकेंड की क्या है? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ सारी वैल्यूज. वेरी गुड. 9/32. देन नेक्स्ट वैल्यू इज, वेटिंग फॉर द आंसर. See, in exam, if you choose to simplify this numerical, then you have to be prompt and very fast. You can see how much lengthy is this numerical. है या नहीं students? It is lengthy. और CC की वैल्यू क्या है? एक की वैल्यू है CC की मेरी yes by for 2. So 1/32 into 2 will give you 2/32 because there are two states, this and this. Next state value is 3/32. Next again 3/32. Then BC value is, very good. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. ठीक है. So 7 probabilities are generated. ठीक है. Now here what we can do, we can calculate the value of G2. G2 for message length 2. ठीक है. Now next step, what we have to do, we have to draw a table for message length 3. ठीक है. For message length 3. So please students write down all the possible combinations and how many combinations will be generated. Tell me that also. I am giving you 5 minutes. You complete all the work. अच्छे से अपने ट्री डायग्राम्स को देखो और लिखो सारी वैल्यूज. because you have to calculate to find G3. I can show you the tree diagram also if you want. I have saved, I think. Symbols emitted we have written, ठीक है ना, and probability we have written in front of both the tree diagrams. So from these tree diagrams you can draw. So we had 8, I think 16 possible combinations are there. Yes, students, is the screen visible to you? हाँ, तो कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस आ रहे हैं? यही वैल्यूज दिखनी है सिंबल एमिटेड जो है हमारे. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. सबकी प्रोबेबिलिटीज भी फाइंड कर ली है. दैट्स गुड. Yes, very good. So from triple A, then it will start for I think CCA. ठीक है, इसके 4 combinations, 8 combinations हो जाएंगे पूरे CC के. Then at last you will have all the triple B के combinations हो जाएंगे and last will be BCA. यही है क्या बेटा combinations? And at last all the probabilities you have to mention over here. ठीक है. सबने कर ली वैल्यूज फाइंड? Yes, students, all of you finished? सबने कर ली वैल्यूज फाइंड? All of you finished or should I wait? Okay, students, I'm waiting. No issues. You calculate your values. The screen is visible to all. Yes, finished, student. I think now it's over. So we will find out the value of G1. Okay, all of you finished? सबके मैसेजेस आ गए हैं, दैट्स गुड. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट फाइंड आउट G1. G1 में 3 वैल्यूज हैं, तो यू विल गेट फर्स्ट इज एट 3/2, सॉरी 3/8. So simplify this and tell me the answer. I am giving you time to simplify it, and please give me the answer of. Yes, students, is it finished? क्या आंसर आ रहा है? So done. Okay, so the value is coming out to be very good. All of you got the answer. So this is my G1. Okay, now we will simplify it for the second value, G2. So write down that. Please do it fast, student. Do all the calculations. G2. G2 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? 1/2. ठीक है, एंड समेशन द सेम फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू विल डू? I is equal to 1 to कितने कॉम्बिनेशन थे? 1 to 7. Small n, here it will be 7. So what you will do? You will write 1/2 in and then common, and in this bracket 9/32 log 2 32/9. ठीक है, then plus 3/32 log 2. I know this is really very cumbersome job, but see students, if you know this logarithmic terms, so it will become easier to simplify it. So got the logic, student? What you have to do here? It's easy, I think, but little bit cumbersome, and it's lengthy. Actually, it's lengthy. But if your concepts are clear how to simplify, then there will be no mistake and you can score full marks in this question. And generally, from that unit, you have one question on Markov sources, electronic student. So it's easy. But if it is a 3-state diagram, then it becomes really very, very lengthy. So if you have option, then don't choose this question to simplify. For 3-state diagram, till 2-state you can do it. So इसकी क्या वैल्यूज आएगी? इसको कर सकते हो कंटिन्यू पूरी 9 कितनी 7 वैल्यूज, सॉरी, till 7 values you will do it. ठीक है, and you will get the answer as 1.28 bits per symbol. ठीक है, आई थिंक ये सबने लिख लिया होगा यहाँ तक. कैलकुलेशंस तुम कर लेना बाद में. ठीक है, सिमिलरली यू कैन फाइंड आउट G3, एंड G3 के कॉम्बिनेशंस कितने होंगे? फॉर लेंथ 3 ठीक है, you will have 16 combinations I think. तो ये सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ लिखोगे 27/128 log 2 128/27, okay, plus all these combinations, and at last you will get answer as 1.139. So is it clear, student? G3 कोई doubt हो तो पूछ लो, and I will give you one question as your assignment. See students, whatever questions I am giving to you na, put all that questions in your assignment. ठीक है, so that midterm 1 से पहले जितने questions है, that is your assignment 1. After midterm 2, that question will be your assignment 2. ठीक है, so Aditi, prepare a fair list, ठीक है, and upload it on the Google Classroom. First assignment भी submit कर दो, जितने भी मैंने questions दिए थे अब सब बच्चे, ठीक है, एंड सेकेंड असाइनमेंट यहाँ से शुरू होता है तुम्हारा. क्लियर? एंड देन सी स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल गिव यू वन क्वेश्चन फॉर होमवर्क. दिस यू कैन डू जब भी तुम्हें टाइम मिले, मैथमेटिक्स करने की इच्छा हो तो इसको कंप्लीट कर लेना. ठीक है, राइट डाउन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द स्टेट डायग्राम ऑफ अ स्टेशनरी मार्कऑफ सोर्स. द स्टेट डायग्राम ऑफ अ स्टेशनरी मार्कऑफ सोर्स is as shown in figure. Find entropy of each state. एक question है, find entropy of each state ठीक है, and second, find entropy of source. And third is find G1 and G2. Find G1 and G2. ठीक है, draw this question in your copy and write down the values. All the probabilities are mentioned in the diagram itself. So this Markov sources are shown. It is a stationary source. All the parameters I think I have marked in the question. So draw it nicely, students. My lines are not that much finished. Assignment question. In next class, we will discuss Shannon-Hadley theorem, a few numericals of channel capacity. Then we will discuss differential entropy. So if you have any doubts, please you can ask.
मैम.
Yes, beta.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैम, आपने लास्ट टाइम जो क्वेश्चंस असाइनमेंट में दिए थे उनके आंसर चेक करने थे.
I have given many answers, तो अदिति से वेरीफाई करवा सकते हो तुम, और उसके अलावा कोई बाकी है तो वो क्वेश्चंस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डाल दो. आई विल वेरीफाई द आंसर.
ओके मैम, वो सेकंड एंड थर्ड आपको व्हाट्सएप किया था.
अदिति से वेरीफाई करवा लो ना.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है ना, पिछले वाले ही क्वेश्चंस है तुम्हारे एग्जाम से पहले वाले क्वेश्चंस आई थिंक.
नो मैम, आपने कुछ अलग दिया था, उसको मैंने व्हाट्सएप किया था आपको.
आंसर मैं तुमको उसमें डाल दूंगी, आई विल पुट दैट आंसर इन द ग्रुप ओनली, ठीक है
Okay.
ना? वो शायद प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला था, P1/1 एंड P1/0।
Yes, ma'am. Second and third question.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। और बाकी सब असाइनमेंट्स कर रहे हैं कंप्लीट? सी इट्स मैंडेटरी टू सबमिट योर असाइनमेंट्स, ठीक है? इट इज मैंडेटरी टू गिव योर मिड टर्म एग्जाम्स एंड प्लीज फिल ऑल दोज फॉर्म्स विच आर शेयर्ड बाय HOD सर इन द ग्रुप, दैट इज नीडेड, ठीक है? आई थिंक सबने कर दिया था सबमिट, वो कर देना। असाइनमेंट कॉपीज अच्छे से बना लो, और लेबोरेटरी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स प्लीज ट्राई टू परफॉर्म एंड अपलोड ऑल द वर्क ऑन द गूगल क्लासरूम, ठीक है? सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट वी कैन डिस्कस। Okay, so no doubt, so we will wind up our class over here. Goodbye students, take care.